Best headphones for tinnitus Sound Gear Lab. Do you experience constant ringing in your ears? Tinnitus can be frustrating, but the right headphones can make a world of difference. They don't just block noise, they provide relief, comfort, and superior sound tailored to your needs. Let's discover the best headphones to ease your tinnitus symptoms. Tinnitus affects millions globally, making everyday sounds overwhelming. Noise-canceling technology and enhanced sound clarity in headphones can reduce the harshness of environmental noise, offering relief. It's time to transform your listening experience, whether at work, relaxing, or traveling. Looking for affordability without sacrificing quality? Meet the One Audio A30, your perfect companion. These headphones deliver effective noise cancellation in a sleek, premium design, all at a budget-friendly price. If you value cost-effectiveness, these headphones are a game-changer. Here's the standout feature: active noise cancellation, ANC. This isolates you from intrusive sounds, letting you focus on what truly matters: music, podcasts, or simply enjoying peace. Best of all, it's wallet-friendly, so comfort and tinnitus relief come without breaking the bank. Tired of frequent charging? The Anker Life Q35 is your answer, boasting an incredible 60 hours of playtime. Long flights, busy work weeks, or intense binge sessions, these headphones keep up with your life without skipping a beat. Comfortable padding ensures extended wear without strain, while ANC capabilities blend seamlessly with their exceptional longevity. For those who prioritize stamina and comfort, the Q35 is an ideal tinnitus relief solution. Longing for the finest in sound quality? The Sony WH-1000XM4 takes audio to the next level. Known for their immersive sound profile and cutting-edge ANC, these headphones are a luxury you'll want to indulge in. The multi-point Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing with multiple devices, perfect for multitaskers. Whether you're commuting, working, or relaxing, the WH-1000XM4 offers an unparalleled, tinnitus-friendly experience. It's more than just headphones, it's lifestyle transformation. Looking for something sustainable and hassle-free? Urbanista's Los Angeles headphones charge through solar-powered technology, ensuring an energy-efficient option for eco-conscious users. Keep the music going while staying kind to the planet. These headphones combine durability, style, and solar-powered freedom. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety and embrace a futuristic design perfect for managing tinnitus anywhere, anytime. Tinnitus requires tailored solutions. Look for ANC to block out unwanted sound, comfort for extended wear, and sound quality for a seamless auditory experience. Selecting based on these features ensures you get optimal relief and performance, customized to your needs. Lifestyle matters too. Whether you're an audiophile, traveler, or professional, align your choice with your daily habits and priorities. The right fit ensures both tinnitus relief and maximum convenience. Struggling to enjoy audio because of tinnitus? That frustration ends here. Explore our top headphone picks, from budget-friendly options to luxury favorites, and discover the difference they can make. Don't let tinnitus hold you back from exceptional sound and comfort.